What's up, YouTube? Space Lion from the Shadow Trio here, and today we have for you Magic the Gathering 2015 core set Fat Pack opening. So let's get into it. Alright, so here's our Fat Pack, and we got the core set. Shows you all the cards, and we also have this has art on the inside of it. We got this. Alright, in the Fat Pack we have lands, we have 2 deck boxes, we have a die, we have 9 booster packs, and we have a bunch of lands. So here's the die. And now it's this first packs right here. We got our lands and more packs right here. Okay, so here are lands. Put those over here for now. And here are more packs. Alright, so the first pack, let's do this. Alright, so we got Inferno Fist, we have Kin's Valley Skirmisher, Fugitive Wizard, Ranger's Guile, Typhoid Rats, Sanctified Charge, Invisibility, Blast Firebolt, Soul Mender, Mind Sculpt. First uncommon is Seraph of the Masses. Second is Reclamation Sage. Our last common is Quickling, and our rare is Ob Nixilis Unshackled. We got a swamp. Second pack. We got Nimbus of the Isles, Foundry Street, Denzian, Child of Night, Ranger's Gale, Arceus Swiftclaw, Negate, Scrapyard, Mongrel, Pillar of Light, Hydro Surge, and Soul Artifact. It's our first uncommon. Nightfire Giant is our second uncommon. Then we have Geist of the Moors is our last uncommon, and we have a mythic Nessa World Waker. That's a nice card. We also have a foil Ranger's Guile. Yeah, planes, and we have a squid. Yeah, so first mythic right there. Alright, so third pack. Guess I'm just gonna skip to the uncommons and rares now. Alright, so we got Tormod's Crypt, Yorubai Lurker, Sacred Armory, and Genesis Hydra. We also got a forest. Alright, fourth pack. We got a Darksteel Citadel, Staff on the Sun Magus, got Wall of Limbs, our rare is Aversice Amulet, and we got a Soldier Token in a mountain. Alright, so next one. We got Ensoul Artifact, Seraph of the Masses, Profane Memento, and we got a Stormtide Leviathan. Alright, so next pack. We got Tormod's Crypt, Staff of the Mind Magus, Quickling, and we got a Yavimaya Coast. We also got a foil Frostlings. Alright, so got that's 3 packs. We got Hot Soup. We got Seraph of the Masses, Nessa's Expedition, and Resolute Archangel. Alright, so we got Gather Courage, Into the Void, Congregate, Goblin Cabimus is our rare. Alright, last pack. Let's do this. Whew. Alright. We got a Paragon of the Fierce Defiance, Jarbai Merc Lurker, Paragon of Eternal Wilds, and a Waste Knot. Got a foil forest. Yay! Alright, well, that does it for this episode, people. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading card videos. And see you in the next video.